So now our fool, filled with the energy, the enthusiasm and the confidence, proceeds and reaches the crossroad, and he comes upon the road which he had intended to take, but instead he sees a woman standing at the start of the road. Now he had been in relationships earlier, but when he sees this woman, he feels differently about her, almost as though she is a part of himself. He is completely drawn to her. He chooses her and they proceed together. This lover's card, my dear friends, is about coming to a crossroad, which means choices, and often this choice can be between duty versus hearts or desires. The lover's card is about being in love. It can, however, show choosing the heart over the head, and it comes with solutions. The major arcana card of lovers relates to the sixes in the minor arcana, both being representative of solutions.